Welcome to this ClickShare information video. The ClickShare CSE-800 is a fantastic collaboration device. It can drive two 4K displays and up to 8 users can share their screens at any one time. This is wonderful but can become confusing, particularly when people share and unshare their screens in an uncontrollable way. That's why moderation has been included with the CSE-800. With moderation, meetings can run more smoothly as normal sharing is switched off and one person controls what's shown on the meeting room display. It's really easy to use and any user can be a moderator. Let me show you how. First, connect to the CSE-800 with a ClickShare button. Then right-click on the ClickShare icon in the sys tray and the usual options are listed with a new additional Start Moderation option. Select this option. Two panels are now shown on your screen. The top panel shows what is being shared on the meeting room display. The bottom panel shows all the image sources connected to the CSE-800. The source panel also shows how each source is connected. For example, this could be by a ClickShare button, the ClickShare app, AirPlay, Google Cast, or an HDMI cable. To display a source, simply find the source you would like to display in the Sources panel. Click and drag it into the center of the image panel at the top of the screen, and it will appear on the meeting room display. To remove a source from the display, click on the source you would like to remove in the image panel and drag it into the Sources panel at the bottom of the screen. Or click on the dustbin or trash can icon in the upper right of the relevant image. Let me show you again. Drag and drop image sources into the bottom panel to remove them from the meeting room display. Drag them to the top panel to share them on the meeting room display. Double-click on any source to take over the whole display. Close the moderation window to stop moderating. When this window is closed, the CSE-800 is unmoderated and everyone can share their screens as normal with a ClickShare button or app.